Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook shrimp with coconut milk. Okay, so this has all the ingredients: salt, black pepper, coconut milk, and then soy sauce. The shrimp I marinated with black pepper and soy sauce, butter, spring onions, chilies, and then garlic. Let's start. We're gonna add the butter. We're gonna saute the shrimp first. Okay, and then set aside. Because the shrimp is easily cooked. The shrimp, bend it, so that's why it's become smaller, not so much. The ginger, okay, the ginger, the chilies, and the white onions. A little coconut milk. Since our shrimp is not so much, so we just add maybe 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. Okay, just add just a little. Okay, that's it. And then we're gonna add just a little soy sauce. Okay. And a pinch of salt. Little more salt. The shrimp, guys. Okay, that we just cooked a minute ago. Okay. To balance the taste. Yummy na, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna garnish with this one. Okay, wait a second. I know our shrimp with coconut milk is done. And now, so I'm gonna garnish this one. So it's tasting time, guys. I'm gonna off the heat. And then it's tasting time. It's yummy, guys. So that's our shrimp with coconut milk. It's done. It's very simple. And even guys, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.